Alex here, your VRay guide, and today's topic is going to be about knowing your working resources. Well, this one goes basically to your library, to all your 3D models, textures, references, and other working material that you need to have in order to create good looking 3D visualizations. Every professional 3D artist got one sort of library with his working material, and the really tricky thing is about this library that you got to know what is what, where is what, and to be able to find it in seconds and not losing too much time in order to find what you need. Today I'm going to show you some internet resources that not necessarily you'll be need having in your library. Just for example, IES lights, if you're not familiar with this term, it's photometric lights that can be used in 3D Max. They are much better as in compared to standard lights of 3D Max. As you see here, really nice shapes. They can be in different colors, and they create really nice illumination in your scene. So I use them a lot. I use them basically all the time. I don't use standard lights. Here's a nice source for model and light that comes together from Erco company. If you just if you go to erco.com and click on products and interior lighting, you get different types of spots here. If you just click on the spot and then on design data, you can reach this page with lots of references and information about this spot. And as you see here, also 3D Max file and DXF file are downloadable. So they are basically these 3D models of this particular spot that we have saw right now. And here, as you see, we've got IES data. If you click on it and save it, it's basically this IES light that can be applied in 3D Max. As you see here, .IES, and it's with a different strength, 100 watt, 300 watt, so 35, 70. So as you see here, it's a huge resource for IES lights. You can go ahead, check it out. But I've got another one, and it's even better. The Evermotion forum. It's a great community forum for architects, visualization, and everything that got to do with computer graphic. As you see here, it's a free stuff section, people uploading it, downloading here stuff. And as you see here, McLaren Mercedes is also free for download. And well, people just going crazy here and sharing so valuable stuff. So I really warmly recommend you to be a member of this really cool community. That's one great source. They got everything: 3D maps, models, IES lights. Go check them out. Another cool source is TurboSquid. Once it was the biggest one and the best one of all. Nowadays I really don't know, but they still got lots of free stuff. If you just go to turbosquid.com and type free, you get lots of free stuff here. As you see, for example, if you're looking for free car, I don't know, you can type free car and we get like almost 350 results. And as you see here, free. Lots of them are for free, and what can I say? Go ahead, check them out. Maybe you find some useful stuff that you can use in your library to build your library. Another great source is, as you already know, every 3D artist got to have references. And I want to show you this rolfbenz.com. It's a German designer, And I went to the German language. Let me just show you this on English. Okay. So if you look into this site, unfortunately you cannot find here any IES slides or 3D models, but you can order catalog for free. Something that I got here, I think it's a must in order to create really nice, in order to have really nice references for lighting, something like this. I think I'm going to build this scene in the future. So I use those catalogs a lot. Sometimes I order also this stuff, but basically I use them to have a good references, to get a really good feeling of the future scene that I want to create, of the lighting that I want to have. So this is a really great stuff. I don't think you need to be a member or to log in. You just cross here what you need, fill up your details, press next, and get this catalog by post in a week or two, something like that. So as you already probably know, to have those resources is a really necessary thing. And I've gathered for 8 years, I've gathered all these resources. I've collected all those links, all those useful stuff, and I've checked all them out, and I've deleted all unnecessary thing, and I left only with a really good combination of really useful 3D resources. And I'm going to publish this in my article that are going to be in my future book that are going to be out next week. It's going to be called How to Become a Professional 3D Artist. As you followed me for last month, for about a month, I found lots of interesting stuff, and people asked me to expand it and to go deeper into stuff and to bring really good examples of how doing this and how doing that. So I've decided to make a book and to include all this material, all these resources, all this stuff in it. So make sure to follow. It's going to be probably next week out, and I'm going to send it with PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, be sure to get it. And I'm going to share with you lots of different interesting information and lots of bonuses, and it's going to be really great stuff, really great source for becoming a professional 3D artist. So make sure to follow, stay tuned, and talk soon. This was Alex, your VRay guy. See you later. Bye.